came here to watch football. I came here to see who's competing for my number one spot. Ngizwile abe-Chiefs bathi hayi sebahleli number one waya. Ngizwile iSundowns ithi izobaphazamisa. Today's results is what I wanted. Yeah. So Mase came in today. Obviously, Chiefs mokumele correct for Sundowns to come back. You know, I mean, Chiefs are amakhosikazi. We know that, guys. Chiefs are amakhosikazi. They will always score first, and then the rest, the gentlemen will come later. I was happy ukuthi bakore ngalesikhathi abakore ngaso, because if they scored earlier, Sundowns was gonna equalize and score a winning goal. So the timing was very perfect, and then Sundowns came and make an equalizer. They 1 points in Tesifunayo. Going to our game tomorrow.
You have to win.
We're gonna win. We're going to win and take back our number one spot.
So you are defending the league.
He's not sure. Right?
He's not sure.
No.
You're not sure. He's still thinking. And there's nothing to think about.
I want you to understand.
But I mean, come on.
That's fine. Make me understand.
I'm not defending the league. I am the league champion.
Yeah.
You see, I'm not defending the league.
Yeah.
I am the league champion. Whoever who wants the league must take it out from me.
Yeah.
Going to that game.
Defend.
I'm holding the league.
Yeah.
Whoever wants it must prove their point to that they are better than us.
Yeah.
So today's match, no one was better than us. No one. Did I answer you, brother?
No, you're not sure.
No, not that I wasn't sure. I wanted to give you a right answer that will dwell in your brains. So right now, we're not defending. We're gonna go back to our number one. Remember, last season we didn't sit to number one.
Yeah, for a very long time.
For a long time, we didn't sit to number one. Sithathe ekugcineni.
Yeah.
So this season, sifuna ukuthi master tuklala.
Yeah.
Sambe nayo.
Yeah.
Of which is tomorrow. Tomorrow siyahlala.
And you stay there forever.
Samba nayo.
Hamba nayo.
Ngihamba nayo.
With your Usain Bolt football. They say you're playing Usain Bolt football.
Ungayi lapho.
Siyayitosha manje.
Uyabona bona bahluleke ukuwina basekhaya. Bakoreqala. Bahluleka ukumaintain the league. The lead. So Tina, we were watching. Today we were watching. We just came here to watch beautiful football. Sasa we're gonna play and sit on number one and continue. But both teams they showed no football. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a goalkeeper.
Danke Mzoli. Danke Mzayane.
No,